it's Kennedy Cheyenne and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to share with y'all these cute pieces that I picked out from Mint and Lily. If you know me, then you know I'm a jewelry girl. I don't play when it comes to it. So these pieces, I really feel like I picked out some cute pieces, and one of the items I've been seeing it everywhere, and I've been wanting a necklace like this, and they had it. So I am so happy. So yeah, let's get into it. So first off, I want to get into this packaging. It's so cute. Super cute already. I love the packaging. And I'm really excited because their stuff is very affordable and it doesn't tarnish, and that's what I need in my life. Oh yes, I'm so excited. So I got this choker necklace, and I love that you're able to customize it. So I got my initials, KB. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. And it feels good. It's got a nice little weight to it. But let's try it on. This is the one that I've been seeing. Like, I've been seeing everybody on Instagram, on TikTok, just with this cute little piece. So I had to get it. Oh, this is cute. This is just as cute as I thought it was gonna be. Oh yes, this is cute. But y'all see it? Really cute. And I got the KB initials, so cute. You can customize it. The first piece, what y'all think? Love it. So normally I stack my necklaces, but with this one, I feel like it just speaks on its own. Like, it's a statement piece, low key. It's so cute. Oh, and I'm really excited. I'm extra excited because I'm gonna go see Usher on Thursday, and I feel like this is definitely what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear this necklace. I feel like it goes with my outfit so well. Ooh, but yes, this might be my favorite one, but we're gonna see. We're gonna keep going to the next one. It's probably the necklace. So cute. I love that it comes with this to polish the jewelry. But isn't this so cute? Yeah, it's just the one with the two crosses. I thought that was cute. Is the cross, the two crosses. It's really cute. This one, I found a piece that I would stack with it. I keep it real simple. Something like this. Yeah, I think that's cute. I think that's cute. This is cute. Low-key, I'm still gonna wear this one probably to Usher, but this kind of matched the vibe as well. Which, let me see. Oh. Hold up, y'all. Hold up, y'all. Is it giving? What y'all think? Hold up. I should have did this one a little bit tighter, but either way, it's actually all cute. Well, all three of them. I was thinking I wouldn't stack this one, but no, this is cute. This is cute. This is a moment. We'll get into the last one. I'm really excited because we did the necklaces first, and this is the ring. So yeah, how cute. Cute, and it comes in a little pouch. Oh, this is so cute. So I got it. Can you see? I hope so. But I got my name, Kennedy Cheyenne. This is cute. This is really cute. I don't know what finger to put it on. I'm not really a thumb ring kind of girl. Oh snap, and my finger's low-key full because your girl ain't married. So I'll take off maybe this one. I'll take off this middle one. Let's see what the vibe is. Oh, that's cute, but low-key, I'm not gonna lie. This is so cute. I would want it to be in like my nail feet. But it's so cute though. So I love that it's customizable. This is so cute. Yeah, it's cute, but it's subtle. Like, unless you get up close, you're not gonna think it's my name. You're just gonna think it's a design. So that's really, I love this. I love these pieces. 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10. These are so cute. I'm loving the ring. it just goes perfectly with what I already got going on. I love this. So yes, y'all be sure to check them out, Mint and Lily. And I love y'all, so y'all know I got a 20% discount for y'all. So I'm either gonna include it here, also have it in the description. But yes, y'all, be sure to shop. They have some amazing pieces, very affordable, tarnish free. We love to see it. I love the gold. And yeah, it's real cute, real tea, perfect. So y'all make sure to check them out, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all.